She likes it. Yeah, dude, that was awesome.
She'll get more excited as she gets used to it. Wow.
Wow.
She's kicking those things' asses. Things. Animals.
Look at him jump. Wait, it says jump for lights and music.
Oh.
The more she jumps.
Oh. Nice, Isabelle.
She's like, oh, you gotta jump, baby. Yeah, girl. Every time she jumps, you hear the elephant.
Oh.
I do believe that she takes after me. She's trying to grab the parrot.
I know.
She's like, come here, I'm gonna eat you.
Say thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
Thank you, Mommy.
How do you like it? Woo.
Dude, I can't wait for your mom to see this in person.
I know. Say, Grandma, look at me. Woo.
Dude, that swing is almost obsolete now. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Wow, she's really getting the hang of it now.
I thought it was the most awesome thing in the world when we got that, because it had an iPod dock and stuff. Well, this just proves you don't need no fucking iPod.
Whoa. She's going crazy. Oh my God, Isabelle.
Think about this. We put her in front of the television and she watches backyard games like this.
I said that earlier, honey, twice.
Well, now watching her like yeah, I dare you one guys to try and go get them feet. Go get them feet now.
Where's
Get the
Isabelle's
feet.
feet?
Get the feet.
I'm gonna kick you.
Yes, little buddy. He's like, no, I'm not gonna.
What about you, Lily? Go, Lily.
Get the feet. Lily, come here. Come here, Lily. Lily, what's that? Those feet? Oh, you're mean.
Wow.
Get those feet.
Ah.
No. I go. Sit.
Oh,
Good
yeah.
boy. Are you? Oh, you jump up into my face.
Nice. Look at her, honey, you're missing it. He was jumping a bunch. Oh.
Dude. She's like, oh my God, this is awesome. You don't have time to hear any of the animals.
I know. Because she's jumping so much.
Yeah.
The poor elephant's like, ah.
Maybe we should get the couch and drag it out here. There's no more reason to hang out in the bedroom anymore. Not with this. Oh my God, she's gonna have hobos doing this. Look at the floor.
I know.
She's gonna have hobos.
You have to wipe her
set of
feet every
hobos.
night. Oh.
Too much fun.
Choke on your saliva.
Well, you gotta record this.
Okay, bye-bye.